Reno Omokeri sell his tongue to the highest bidder and his soul to the nearest camera. I am not the one that said this one. No. Just stay with me. I will bring you who said it. I just came across it and I thought it wise to share with you. Just stay with me and see who said it. My name is Sabastine Charles. This is People's Parliament. Just stay with me. This is from Parallel Fact. He will embarrass Nigeria on the world stage, Mike Arnold tells Senate. To reject Reno Omokeri's ambassadorial nominee, Parallel Fact. Mike Arnold took to his Twitter handle to write to Nigerian Senate and said that he has seen this man, Reno Omokeri, closely, and Reno Omokeri is a danger to Nigeria. Among many things that he wrote, which includes Reno Omokeri abandoning his son in California, not attending his father's burial, also covering up for his brothers that is accused of rape, and also Reno Omokeri criticizing Tinubu earlier and now supporting Tinubu, and a lot of things that he wrote about Tinubu. The part that just captured my attention very well is the part I want to show you right now. He wrote, "This is no diplomat. This is an effective, praying, I don't want to pronounce this, who plucks his eyebrows and prays like a pixie in selfies for cheap social media clicks. This is a shape-shifting machinery who sells his tongue to the highest bidder and sells his soul to the nearest camera. When a foreign government or lobby offers Reno Omokeri money tomorrow than Abuja does today, he will flip and sell out Nigeria the same way he sold out his father, his son, his wife, his political allies, his faith, and every principle he ever pretended to have. Do not let this man carry your flag. He will embarrass you on world stage within 6 months." He said, "As an American who has made Nigeria my second home and who has probably spent more time in Nigeria in the past decades than Omokeri, I can tell you the most damning international stereotype of Nigeria is the slick scammer, the very nominee of Omokeri for this important post plays fully into that stereotype and demarcates the nation in every corrosive way." He now concluded, "Deny the nomination. Your fatherland deserves better than a paid liar who wouldn't even bury his father." Wow. Chai, this man the verse, they will take finish Reno Omokeri like this. Is it that they have some personal issue before now, or this clash too much now? This one too much. Arnold, waiting this man do you now? this man. You the verse, so beg. What are your thoughts in the comments? Let's discuss in the comments. What the U.S. Senator said about Reno Omokeri, is it true? Or is it another political way of trying to break Reno? Please subscribe and like to encourage us bring you more amazing videos like this.